right, hello, and welcome to my live. Happy Monday. I hope everybody is having a wonderful Monday so far. So tonight what we're going to be doing is masking. We're going to be getting our face done for mask. So we'll be using our charcoal mask, our clear proof charcoal mask is what I'm going to be using tonight. First step is, of course, cleaning your face. I already did that to save a little bit of time, so you guys didn't have to wait for that. But I've already cleaned my face, of course, with my Time-Wise 3D Miracle 4-in-1 cleanser. What I love about our products is it doesn't matter which one you use. You can mix and match. You don't have to stick to one of our skincare lines. You can mix and match all of our skincare lines. So I've cleaned my face. My face is clean, and we're gonna get started with the charcoal mask. I'm gonna be using my mask applicator to put the mask on because I don't like to get my fingers all dirty, and it goes on a lot smoother when I use the spatula. So I'm going to be using my mask applicator. So I'm just gonna put a little bit on there. And I'm not gonna do my whole face because I wanna focus on my T-zone. I get really oily here. So I'm gonna focus on my T-zone and a little bit of my cheeks because that's just what I wanna focus on today. So when you do your mask, you don't always have to do the entire mask. You can just do a focus area. So that's what I'm gonna do tonight. So I'm just going to lightly put it on. You wanna make sure the mask is evenly coated onto your face when you're putting it on. And like I said, I'm doing my T-zone. So I'm going to be putting it there. So you just lightly put it on, and it's so cool. When it goes on, it smells so good. And I love it. So we're just gonna put it on in this area because this is what I'm focusing on tonight. Because I really need to get some of these blackheads out of my nose. I got a big little noggin there, so I want to get all that out of there. Yeah, I'm gonna get under there because, you know, it's a little big, a lot of little space there. So I'm gonna get all of it. Perfect. Okay. So the charcoal mask is now on. So as you can see, I've evenly coated it onto my face. I got my nose because, like I said, I want to get those blackheads. And the thing about the charcoal mask is the charcoal, the activated charcoal, it acts like a magnet, so it pulls all those impurities and blackheads and dirt out of your skin. Because even though you've cleansed your skin, it's clean, but you know, that charcoal, it pulls out everything. So I really love it. So I'm just gonna clean my mask applicator off. Okay, and normally, like I said, I put it on my whole face, but my face has been doing real good, so give it a little break. And you can use this mask up to 3 times a week. You can put the mask on, so no need to be concerned. If you like to mask multiple times a week, you can do that. So that is me with the mask on, and what'll happen is it'll start to dry, and then you'll start to see the impurities start to come out of my face. And today, earlier, I had on some mascara, and I took it. That was my first time putting mascara on, and I took it off. And I can't believe my eyelashes still look cute, though. It's like it gave them this nice little pop, even though it's not on there anymore. But that is our charcoal mask. So this is a very wonderful product to use. And right now, when you purchase it, it comes with this nice little masking towel, which is what I'll use to dry it off when I rinse my face off. So does anyone have any questions? You can see it's starting to turn white. So once it's dry, this whole thing will be like a ashy gray, should I say? It'll be an ashy gray once it's on there. And then I will rinse it off and I will put on my night cream because it is time to go to bed almost. So I'll put my night cream on and that will correct anything from throughout the day, like I told you guys on my last video when I did the full cleansing. So if you didn't get a chance to see that, go back, watch my video where I did a full cleansing of my face. But yes, I used my time-wise set when I did my cleansing of my face. I did it in the morning, so I used my day cream. So tonight, I've already washed my face, so I'll use my night cream after I've washed this off. So that is our charcoal mask. And of course, we also have the mask applicator if you want to put that with it. So this is a good little set. You get this for free. It comes with this. And then you can just add on the mask applicator. If you're like me, you don't like to get your hands dirty. I don't like having to wash my hands off. So that is our charcoal mask. And look at that. It is drying and it is starting to pull those impurities out of my nose. I can already see it starting to work under there. I can see the little dots forming. And you typically leave this on for 10 to 20 minutes. It's totally up to you how long if you want the 10 or 20, but after 20 minutes, you can rinse it off and you will have nice, deep clean skin because it gives you a deep cleanse. So, try to dry a little faster so you guys can see a little bit before I get off of here. Look at that. Yes, it's drying. I love it. It's drying, drying. Perfect. See any questions? No questions? Cool, cool. You can always drop your questions after if you're watching the replay. Definitely drop your questions. I'll still answer them in the comments down below. I'll keep this video up on my live, so you don't have to worry about it not being there if you want to watch it again. But again, this was the charcoal mask, our deep cleansing charcoal mask. That is what we did today, and it is starting to dry, and it is starting to lift. Look at that. Oh yeah, you can kind of see, yeah, starting to lift those impurities out of my nose, and it's gonna do that all over my nose. And look at that, it's doing on my cheeks too. You can see the little dots starting to form. And that's just the activated charcoal pulling the dirt and blackheads and everything out of my skin. So there it is, you can see it working its magic. So that is our charcoal mask. And I'm gonna wash this off. I'll take a before and after photo for you guys. And like I said, I only did my T-zone today because I really wanna work on this oiliness because I have really oily in this area. And that's pretty much, this is perfect for that oily T-zone. So, thank you all for watching. I hope you all have a wonderful, awesome, amazing week. It's Monday, so make the week awesome, make it amazing. I will see you guys on my next video. I will, of course, post before and after photos of the charcoal mask. And see you guys next time. If you want to place an order, I'll put the link in the comments as well. So you can go ahead and place your order, or you can place your order directly with me by messaging me. So it's your preference if you just want to go to my website and do the order, or if you just prefer to message me and place your orders, and I do drop-offs, or I can ship it to you. So you do have the option of how you want your package delivered. So have an awesome night once again. I will see you all next time. Bye.